Hey everyone, welcome back to Pacey AI. Today, we're diving into a breaking news story that's massive for global AI innovation. Serbia just inked a 50 million euro deal to build its national AI factory with Eviden, a European tech powerhouse. Trust me, this isn't just another lab, it's a historic leap that's reshaping the Balkans' tech future. Hit that like, smash subscribe, and ring the bell because you won't want to miss this. Here's the juice. Serbia's government partnered with Eviden to create a supercharged AI hub that's all about democratizing AI access. Think 25 petaflops of compute power, 300 GPUs, and 2.5 petabytes of storage. This isn't just hardware, it's a full ecosystem for health, energy, and transport solutions. Imagine Serbian startups cracking climate change or AI-driven healthcare breakthroughs, Eviden's bringing the brains and Mistral AI's cutting-edge models, while Serbia's fueling the ambition. Game changer alert. Let me geek out a second. They're deploying Eviden's BullSequana XH3000 supercomputer built in France. Paired with their AI software platform, this machine will churn through massive datasets. Plus, Mistral AI's open-source Gen AI models mean developers can build, train, and deploy without lock-in. It's like an AI sandbox for the entire nation. Talk about leveling the playing field. Introducing Ninja Chat. So Ninja Chat is a platform that allows you to use multiple different AI models to do different tasks. ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, Perplexity, Gemini, Grok. Also, if you want to generate images, you have Stable Diffusion 3, and you have the newest Flux AI Pro model. And then finally, you have the AI Playground, a feature that allows you to compare prompts. Ninja Chat, link is in the description to this one. This isn't just tech for tech's sake. Eviden's training Serbian engineers and academics to build self-sustaining AI expertise. Imagine a pipeline of talent churning out real-world solutions. Mihajlo Jovanovic, Serbia's IT chief, called it a statement of digital courage. By 2027, this could turn Serbia into a regional AI leader, attracting global investment and partnerships. The future starts here. Boom! Serbia's national AI factory isn't just a project, it's a signal to the world. AI collaboration bridges borders. If you vibe with this update, give it a share, smash that like, and turn on notifs because Pacey AI drops the hottest AI news daily. Don't forget, the next breakthrough could be yours. See you in the next vid. Peace out, AI fam.